Anong pangalan yan? Club on club. Eh, yan. Ah. Nagdadala. Sabi niya may kulig daw. Ano? Oh, etos, iposo lang. Saan ang kulig niya? Yun ba? Para. Isa po sa kanto lang. Oh my God! Bus natin. Oo. Yung bus natin. It's coming to town. Yan ang Metrolink natin. Dito sa likod na lang kami. In front. Dito ka na, Tani. Masaya na ang mga bata. Nakasakay. Actually, mabilis mo pumuti dito sa Qatar, kaya gusto namin magpa-itim. Sana. Ano mo na lang? Para may video. Ginusto natin to, guys! So many numbers. Ano yung bilyaran yan, Inday? Malaking bilyaran. Thank you so much. Okay, bye-bye. Jump! Jump. Wow!
Sabi niya si Kuya.
Igiban pala ito ng bowl. Grabe talaga sila. Gano'ng kabigat kaya? Parang itlog.
All right hand, no? All right hand.
Yes.
First, like left hand like this, and right hand like this. Interlock is very difficult for the first time. Let's go for the overlock or base finger.
Yeah.
It's very difficult.
Okay. For advance.
Yeah. Simple thing, no? Just always hold just middle. That's why you feet like this, and bend your hip. And a kneel. Keep your eye on the ball. Just use your shoulder. Only the shoulder. Don't break your wrist like this. Just your shoulder. I'll show you one, man. Just wide your feet, bend your hip and a kneel. Just keep your eye on the ball. Just use your shoulder. Like
wow!
Just your shoulder. Because the other T was for the driver.
Usahain mo lang. Yeah, automatic daw.
Char.
muna ng swing, huwag mong paluin. Practice ka muna.
Practice ka muna ng swing. Sa susunod.
Madali lang.
All in your shoulders.
Okay. Just a little more power.
A little bit more power.
Kami wave!
First time it will be super power. After 50 balls, you will get 50 more balls.
We're here in Dai. So yun.
Parang lang.
Balikan mo doon, Tanya, kung wala.
Ang alin?
Yung cellphone niya.
Wala tayong pamalit.
Meron yan. Nandyan na si Habibi. Ginawang ano? Siya ginawang sugar daddy. So yun na, guys.
Yung QID.
Nandito na kami. Babalik na yung golf. Ano yun? Ano tawag yun? Golf club. Golf club. Ibabalik na yung golf club. Ang ganda ko, Tani. Ang ganda ko. Ito kakulit naman. Bye-bye, guys. For our next vlog, bye-bye.